Hey guys, so I recently got mugged when coming back from town and my bag was slid open and they took my phone. So I thought, why not make something that is burglar proof? And luckily enough, I went to the local thrift store and I found these two fabrics at 50 bob each, and they are pretty much strong. And so in today's video, I'm going to turn them into a bag and I hope that you will enjoy it. It's a new type of bag I'm making. I have never made this before and I'll just be thinking on the go, and I hope that you will enjoy the video. Please stick around to the end. If you're new to this channel, consider to subscribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos, and I hope that this tutorial will be very good for you, especially if you intend to sew a bag like myself. Thank you so much, and please stick around to the end. If you're still watching up to here, thank you so much, and if you're not subscribed, please consider to subscribe. So I got a bit of challenge sewing this in because I made the straps a little bit small. So when you're making yours, please adjust the zipper part so that the zipper falls on this part perfectly.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a...
The size of the pocket is determined by yourself. Like this one is just a random measurement. I did not take exact measurement, so you can do double-sided zipper, but I only wanted one, just like a phone compartment or something.
I need today, I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Like nothing I found, my mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. What's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Now you can sew around this bag to just finish it off, for it to have a nice finishing and for the zipper part to remain put when you use the bag and not to come out. You can even do a double stitch around it. So guys, the lighting here was too much, but I hope you can see that this bag is big enough. It has fitted my laptop, a few personal items, my books, and it is strong enough to carry all these items, and it's large enough, and it still got space. It also looks beautiful and chic, and I hope that you have liked it up to this moment. So thank you so much for sticking around and for watching my video to the end. I do not take it for granted. Again, if you're not yet subscribed, please consider to subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. And I hope that this tutorial has been helpful. See you in my next video.